Hi, welcome to my second video about how to look after the children at home during the pandemic period, especially the lockdown period. That first video already completed and I hope you have seen that. Today, I just want to take only one topic that that how to that particular topic will engage your children. The engagement should not be just like that. It should be useful. Fine. In our life, we have done so much. But now you ask anybody, they do not remember it unless there is a record. So that means keeping record is very important in life, whether you are doing a good thing or bad thing. Even if it is a bad thing, you will be ashamed of yourself once you recollect and see. If it is a good thing, you will feel pride and do it again and again and improve your good into better and best. Am I right? Fine. Now, take today, call your children and you just start telling about yourself, your life history. How did you study? How you come across the problems? How you solved it? And what was your family standard? Tell about your parents and your parents' parents. Whatever the best means of your memory, the information, whatever is there with you, you tell and ask your children, kindly note it down also if it is possible. Because unless it is very effective and interesting, then only your children will listen you. But for that, or making the story, your story into interesting, don't lie. And also I advise you, have some censor cut here and there. If in your young age you have done something wrong also, don't mention it and don't tell your children. Okay, that is one. Secondly, you have to tell the name of your parents to your children and the relation. Your brother, what is the relation to your children? Chacha, uncle, all those whatever is there, you tell and explain. And your story should be from your childhood. The best of your knowledge and memory, you have to tell stage by stage. When you are telling like that, your children will observe you. In case you came across with very tough time, struggle and hard work yourself and dedication, all those your good qualities will be reflected in the story that will be observed by your children. This is obvious. And every children is always telling every children. That means in case you are got only one child, he will talk high about you. You are the hero. You are the superhero of your son. Your son always says, my daddy is superhero. And your daughter always say, my father is handsome. He is rocking every time. So this is an impression they are automatically having. When you tell your story effectively, sincerely, without adding anything for the interest, and they will respect you more and more. And they become more closer to you. When the children becoming more close to you, that friendship feeling also mixing with that relationship, that will be the best relationship. That will be the best relationship. Therefore, today, you are going to tell your story, your life story to your children. Make them sit or whenever they are relaxed. You need not to fix a time for that actually. Then that become monotonous. Then it become kind of a class type of thing. Be informal. Whenever you feel that they are in the mood, start telling it. And the best thing I always tell you, you learn to tell story. Storytelling is an art. Everybody cannot tell the story unless they practice it. You have to, in the story also you know that. introduction, body, conclusion. There are so many things. So you have to practice it. For your children's sake, you have to learn it. Okay, that is one. Likewise, the mother. Mother should tell about her sincerity, how she brought up, how she was helpful to her parents. Okay, like that. Mother side family, mother side story should also be told. Nowadays, there are a lot of medias and via means to entertain the children. Okay, fine. That entertainment should also be required. I'm not denying that. But your personal story should be known to your children. That makes a lot of difference. Okay. And as and when you get an opportunity, tell about what is income tax, what is bank, what is kind of offices, what is parliament, what is assembly, who is prime minister, what do you mean by prime minister. All those things, little, as per their age group, you have to tell. If you have got the grown-up children beyond the 10th and 11th, 12th standard, you must show them all the discipline from your side. If you ask them, simply do this, do that, wake up 5 o'clock, go for jogging. No, unless you do it, they will not listen you. This also you must keep it in mind. Simply advising will not serve any kind of purpose. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are the parent. The parental is very, very important to the children. It is my own experience. Whatever I did in my life, whatever I'm telling you, the same thing I did in my life. And neither I'm expert or professional in this, nor somebody taught me what to do. This everything is on your own logic, own wisdom and the sense. That's all. If you want your children should be a good human being, a good citizen of the nation, you must be good human being. You must be good citizen of the nation. So today you have to start telling your own life story to your children effectively from the beginning. The time, any time you fix, it is again should be convenient to them also. Also, in between, as I told you earlier in the video, chess and carom board cards, you can make them to play. You have to play with them sometime. And the olden days, our traditional games are the indoor games. That you must be knowing that. If you don't know, leave it. If you know, just try and recollect and tell them. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all today's video. In my next video, I will come with new topic, how to engage your children in a useful manner during this lockdown period. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.